Oh no. I hope that was rain.
I hope it was rain.
Musim gugur di Asia.
Well, welcome back to Autumn in Asia, Cambodian style. Today we're at the royal residence and the royal gardens, and later on we're going to see some royal bats. So stay tuned. This is going to be lots of fun.
But it was closed for a long time, you know, when they were doing all this. So.
Yeah. Damn, a lot of freaking vloggers around here.
Yeah, I know.
So we're gonna check out bats tonight. Okay. This is the royal gardens here.
Royal residence. The gardens are on the other side of the river.
Like I said, gardens on the other side of whatever he said. And this is just like, these are gardens, but they're not royal, is what he's trying to tell me. These are just regular kind of gardens, not, you know. Now don't get them confused with Marvin's gardens either, because they're not. They're beer gardens. yeah. Only Dave from Dave Does Cambodia would say, yeah, good beer gardens, man. But yeah, they got some cool stuff here. Some nice looking trees, and little swirly trees there.
Swirly trees?
Swirly trees, or whatever you call them. Oh wow, man. I've got a shadow. Isn't there a lot of songs about shadows? No. We'll go check out the whatever that is over there, like a pagoda type thing-ish. So that's what we'll do. At least that's what I'm going to do. Because it ain't what you don't do, it's what you do.
He said doo-doo.
I said doo-doo. That's what he said. He said I said doo-doo. So actually then he said doo-doo too.
I don't know, Beavis.
We're just a whole bunch of potty mouths. Those are some big candles there. We bring those for blessings. Batman! I don't know if you can see him yet. I'll zoom in post. I'm recording this in high def. Yeah, we'll get it. We're gonna wait around until it gets a little bit darker, and then they're just like swarming all over the place. So that's what we're gonna do. If anybody's wondering what I'm doing here, that is the elusive park bench. That park bench has been that way. It has not been dropped into the ground for years. It's been sitting like that. So, yeah. That's one of the sights of Siem Reap. Darn right it is. Those are the trees that the bats like to live in. Why? Because they're not in their bat cave. I mean, they're on vacation from their bat cave, I guess. I don't know. But one of them's Robin. Which one's Robin? Probably the red one, huh? Okay, now here we got the bats. They're kind of waking up and shaking the guano out of their head, out of their hair, because, well, they sleep upside down and they, well, do other things upside down. Anyways, here's a very popular place, especially this time of the evening. A lot of people like to walk around, exercise, and just have a great time. Look what Dave's doing. Petting his dog, pretty dog, and his dog. And they followed us everywhere, even to Dairy Queen. These guys weren't happy. Yeah. Dave petted the dog, and now the dog is following. Waiting for the bats to take off. There's one doing something over there. Those guys are just hanging. Okay, now we're going to start seeing them waking up, a whole bunches of them. And these were amazing. I did not know that they were as big as what they were. They must have at least a 2-foot wingspan, if not more. You can kind of see it in this shot here. I had to use my my camera because my DJI was just not. It was really hard to keep track of them. But yeah, it was a lot of fun watching these guys. They're heading away from my house, and I'm very, very glad about that. Yeah, wow. Oh no. I hope that was rain.
I hope it was rain. Either that or you've been marked.
Keep them all shut. So while we're heading off to get a tuk-tuk because we're really not sure if it's starting to sprinkle or, well, I think it was starting to sprinkle, I hope. I don't know. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Tuk-tuk! Tuk-tuk, where are you? Tuk-tuk! Tuk-tuk!